Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 5, Fraction of a Set, Chapter number 3, Lecture number 5, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our topic is fraction of a set. First of all, we discuss the steps to solve fraction of a set. Firstly, we discuss steps to solve fraction of a set. Our first step is understand the problem. Look for information to help you understand the problem. Understand the problem. Our second step is firstly divide the given number by denominator unit of given fraction. Firstly divide the given number by denominator unit of given fraction. Step 3 is secondly multiply the quotient by numerator unit. Secondly multiply the quotient by numerator unit. Now students, our step 4 is check your answer. Here student, let's solve our question number 1 of set of a fraction. Our question number 1 is a baker bought 40 kg of flour. A baker bought 40 kg of flour. She used 1/8 of the flour to bake some bread. And we have to find out how many kg of flour did she use. How many kg of flour did she use? Now student, let's solve it. A baker bought flour is equals to 40 kg. A baker bought flour is equals to 40 kg. She used flour to bake some bread is equals to 3/8. She used flour to bake some bread is equals to 3/8. And what we have to find out? We have to find out how many kg of flour she used. We have to find out how many kg of flour she used. Student, firstly 8 units of denominator is equals to given number, that is 40 kg. 1 unit is equals to, what we do now? We divide 8 units of denominator by our given number, that is 40 kg. Now let's divide it. When we divide 40 kg by 8 units of denominator, we get our quotient 8. We get our quotient 8. Now student, what we do now? Here student, our quotient is 5 kg. What we do now? Now student, we multiply our quotient 5 kg by 3 units of numerator. We multiply 5 kg by 3 units of numerator. Now we multiply 3 units of numerator by our quotient 5 kg. When we multiply 3 by 5, we get our answer 15 kg. We get our answer 15 kg. She used flour is equals to 15 kg. She used flour 15 kg. Now student, let's learn the steps to solve our question number 2. Steps to solve set of fraction question number 2. Our first step is understand the problem. Firstly, same the denominator for finding the total fraction. Our second step is divide the given number by denominator unit of given fraction. Divide the given number by denominator unit of given fraction. Our third step is multiply the quotient by numerator unit. And our last and the fourth step is check your answer. Now student, let's start to solve our second question. Our question number 2 is, Sid had $45. She spent 1/3 of her money on book and 5/9 of it on stationery. And we have to find out how much money did she spend. Now student, let's solve it. Sid had $45. She spent money on books is equals to 1/3 and she spent money on stationery is equals to 5/9. Student, what we have to find out? We have to find out how much money did she spend. How much money did Sid spend on books and stationery? Firstly student, we find the total money she spent on book and stationery. Total money she spent. How we find the total money? We add 1/3 by 5/9. We add 1/3 and 5/9. Firstly student, we same the denominators. 1/3 multiply by 3. When we multiply 1/3 by 3, we get 3/9. Now student, here 9 denominators are same. Now we add our numerators. 3 add with 5, we get 8/9. Now student, what we do now? Here student, denominator units is equals to our given number. 9 unit is equals to $45. 1 unit is equals to, we divide our given number by denominator units. Denominator units are 9. When we multiply 45 by 9, we get our quotient 5. Now what we do now? Now students, we multiply our quotient by the units of numerator. We multiply our quotient 5 by the units of numerator. Here student, we get 40. When we multiply 5 by 8, we get 40. She spent money on books and stationery is equal